In this video module, we're going to be talking through identifying Imperial College's users and customers. But before we do that, we need to go back a step and remember what value is. Value is essentially what our users and customers are willing to pay for. So take a moment here to pause the video and think about the value that the college provides to its users and customers. And let's look at the mission statement to see what that is. Imperial College embodies and delivers world-class scholarship, education, and research in science, engineering, medicine, and business, with particular regard to their application in industry, commerce, and healthcare. We foster multidisciplinary working internally and collaborate widely externally. We're very used to looking at services from the point of view of us being a customer of that service. But now I want you to have a different look at that and think about it from your customer's point of view. You are delivering the service to your customer. So for them, what does world-class mean? If it's a student coming to study with us, asking them the question, what does world-class education mean to you, is useful. So how do we go about this? How do we start asking our users the questions that we talked about before, the how, what, and when? We do this by defining user groups. User groups are basically segmented users of our services. Not everybody is going to interact with our services and products in exactly the same way. So it's useful to define user groups so that we can ask those particular user groups what they want from our services. Imperial has many different types of user groups. Let's have a look at some now. We have academic staff. We have alumni. We have companies and industry. We have our professional support staff. We have donors, prospective students, current students, our undergraduates, and funders. Now, you may have different types of users that you work with. For example, you might have suppliers that you depend on in order to deliver your service or product. You might work with research councils or government agencies. So take a minute now and think about your service, what you provide in your service as value to your customer or to your user. And remember that users and customers can be internal and external. And then think about the different user groups. How can you segment the people who interact with your services? Good luck, and we'll see you in the next video.